What's up, guys? It's Hardcore Stocks here. In this video, we shall be taking a good look at Netflix. It's been a while since I made a video on Netflix. I can't even say it's been a minute, but in this video, we shall be diving straight into Netflix stocks, Netflix shares. I'll be doing some technical analysis, some fundamental analysis, and we shall go into one or two news or one or two headlines or articles that would let us determine where the market is currently heading or where Netflix is currently heading. So given the situation of things right here, we would see first and foremost, we need to look at Netflix from the higher time frame right here. And based on what we can see right here, Netflix has definitely played this move for us before. So we could see it clearly right here that this is definitely what Netflix does. It rallies. You could see from the previous time it rallied right here, it dropped, rallied again, dropped, then rallied, gave us a massive pump, then dumped, gave us another massive pump right here, which you could see we've been rallying ever since. Was it not we've been rallying ever since 2022, July 2022. You could see how massively Netflix rallied all the way to 134, all the way from here at $16. It's rallied all the way to roughly $134, $135. And you could see we broke above this major resistance at $103. Got rejected from there. You could see rally to retest this level at 103. We got rejected. Right now we're at a level of support around here at $70. So now it all depends on where are we going to move in from here. And just like I said, this move has happened before. You could see it clearly right here how we consolidated around this level. I think, sorry about that, I need to take this to the monthly time frame just for us to see. You could see it clearly right here that we couldn't break above this major resistance right here, but you could see we kind of found support around this level before rallying. So I think if I'm to extend this much further, you could see definitely right here that this is definitely what Netflix has been on about. You could also see it clearly right here that after we found a bounce around here, we rallied massively. So sorry about that. After we found a bounce around here, we rallied, and right here you could see that this is about to play again. This is about to happen again, especially given the fact that you could see all the way from all the way from $70. We have some major areas right here where we could actually retest, which is around between $70 to $60, 60.80. So I think this is definitely what we need to expect right here from Netflix. We found support between 70 to 60.80. Once we're able to find support around here, we could probably consolidate a little bit. Then we could find support around $70 before we rally much higher again. This is most likely going to be playing out. Where I would say things might not look good is whereby we end up getting rejected from this major support right here and we end up dumping below $60. We could see ourselves heading all the way down to $40. So I think this is definitely what we need to expect right here. Though we could probably find support around here at $49.50. This could be a possibility, but I think where we could majorly rally majorly is between here at $40 to probably $37, because this was obviously where we had that first momentum push right here, or should I say the second momentum push that sent us even way higher. So I think this is definitely what we need to expect right here, that this level right here is definitely a very crucial accumulation phase for Netflix. So I think this is definitely what we need to have in mind right here. In terms of the news, nothing really much right here is going on, other than the fact that we could see that Netflix has had a rough ride with the stock trading around $68.89 after a punishing year that has seen it fall about 45% from its 52-week high for investors who see a potential rebound but are wary of jumping in now, this kind of volatility creates opportunity. It allows you to generate an immediate cash yield by agreeing to buy the stock only if it falls to a much lower price. A proposition laid out below: 9.5% annualized yield at a 33% margin of safety by selling put option. So I think right now, I think this is actually a great time to actually accumulate on Netflix. Yep, I think that is definitely the truth. And we could see clearly right here that Kaushi demands Netflix takedown trailer for prediction games documentary. Okay, so I don't think this really have much to do with the Netflix stocks, because this is obviously Kaushi not wanting Netflix to review their shady business obviously out there. But this is not about the content or the show Netflix is about to drop. But what I'm trying to say right now is that Netflix is actually at a very good area of accumulation where you could actually start accumulating some stocks right now. So I think that is majorly all I can say. If you do enjoy this video, subscribe, turn on post notification, smash that like button, and share this video with your friends, guys. Peace out.